Hi guys, coming at you a bit undercover today with glasses on from the supermarket. I had a bit of a conversation with someone online today and we're discussing the difference between a jar of minced ginger and fresh ginger, and I thought I'd come undercover in the supermarket and show you guys the difference. So I'm just going to turn the video around so you can see what I've got here. So in front of me I've got this wonderful display of fresh, gorgeous ginger. And next to that, the most delicious bulbs of garlic. And these are definitely the type of garlic that you want to purchase. But let's have a bit of a comparison when it comes to what's the difference between, say, this ginger and this ginger. Because this obviously comes in what is a more convenient form. But it's not until we turn it around and we have a look at the ingredients on the back that we realise that it's not just ginger that we have in here. My eyes are pretty bad, but from memory, this one in particular has wheat, vegetable oil, and of course the dreaded sugar, so it's not pure ginger. I'm going to have a look at another one. This one here, another paste, and once again, very convenient. But if we turn it over, we've got the same thing again. It has that's the list of ingredients in that ginger, and yes, sugar is in there. So, which is better? Well, obviously, this one or this one. You need to go fresh every single time. Get used to using fresh, and not only is it better for us, but one of the main things, well, for me as a chef, is it tastes better. The flavour that you get off this will be better than this every single time. Okay, so that's ginger. Let's have a look at garlic. So maybe garlic is different. So we've got our lovely fresh garlic here and ready to be bulbed and roasted or minced up or whatever you want. So what's the difference between this minced garlic and this garlic? Once again, let's turn it around and have a little look. First ingredient is garlic, next ingredient is sugar. Yes, there is sugar in your minced garlic, so if you are currently using something out of a pot or a jar or a tube, you might want to give it a bit of a miss and head to this. I'm going to check one more for you guys. So we've got one more little garlic paste here. Once again, lovely and convenient, wonderful, great to have on the side of the fridge. But if you go back to that ingredient list, look, it's all there. So this is always going to be the best option for you. Enjoy your freshness, enjoy creating some delicious meals, and let's leave the minced stuff to the side. See you guys.